Hello, good evening. Welcome to another late night tool catechism. As you can see, we are here with our old friend, the Shopfox W1877. But that's not exactly what we're going to be doing and talking about tonight. Manuals. We all have manuals. All of our tools have books and manuals and literature that we want to do something with. I know a lot of the more modern folks toss them and say, well, everything is online. And yes, everything is online, but in my metal shed, online, not so much. So, here's what we're going to do tonight. From our dear friends over at Amazon, no sponsorship from Amazon, I got one of these aluminum clipboards. They're very handy. Boy, I hope this is large enough or I'm going to look like a fool. I use one at work. Boom. Open it up. You've got room for pens and all sorts of such and this and that. And look at that guy. Manual. So you're saying to yourself, well, that's just dandy. Look at that. We've got the clipboard. Where is it going to go? Well, if all goes well and we round up some miscellaneous bolts and this and that, we're going to mount it right there. Alrighty, by holding it up on the thing, I've got a rough idea. I want a couple holes here, and about there and there. This is in no way precise or scientific. Hopefully we don't bugger up this very nice box. Alrighty, holes are drilled. Well, we've got fasteners from the bin of this and that I've collected over the years from different sales and projects and all the other this and that goes along with getting where you're at. Probably should have grabbed a screwdriver using some big fancy fender washers because I got them. And I was nearly completed, and I apparently do not know my own strength, and kapow. I broke off one of those little screws here. So we'll give this an additional try. One thing I'm going to kind of maybe promote a little bit, if you go to most of the hobby shops or even the Harbor Freight or Menards, they've got these little multi-organizers with you got your little partitions. They're very handy if you've got a lot of little weird fasteners and doodads that you don't want just in a bucket, because then they become nearly worthless. Now, did I mention earlier in the video that also the clipboard is a whiteboard? Very handy. And as you can see, we can put whatever here and whatever here, which happens to be the manual to the planer, to the stand of which it's affixed to, and just happen to have a pencil and a dry mark eraser. Dry mark erasers, for some reason, are hen's teeth at my workplace. Thank you for watching this little short. I've been told that I should ask if you do indeed like this little spiel, like and subscribe. As you can see, I've had a bit of an interest in routers and router tables. So hopefully when the wandering mind gets the focus correct, we'll have some very nice routering presentations.